Edward, Edwin.
Make sure the isolators are on there.
Yep, make sure these isolators are on.
It's just a half of it.
Yeah, the bottom ones are half of one. But a mistake we have seen before in the field, you know, we'll get called down there and say, the panels are all messed up, you know, they're not sitting correctly. And what happens is the guys are in a hurry and they put these on upside down. So the difference of not having that gasket for it to sit on would be enough to, you know, throw a panel off 1/16 of an inch or so. So these go on real tight. They fit, you know, pretty snug there. So if you have them on this way and you see the gap, you see that gap, you know they're on upside down.
And there's a top or bottom for the clip too.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the.
Bottom's got that.
It's short.
It's got a
Yep.
little angle so it's
Oh, okay.
Yep. That's the bottom. Okay.
The regular bottom clips and stuff.
So these we usually set the bottom down in first. And these redone.
Go in the top.
Put the top in first. Rock your panel back so it's sitting snug against the gaskets. And then you can slide that clip right down. In the place. And that's it. Repeat for the rest of them.
Right. You can adjust them side to side if you need to by tapping on the wall, but just to tighten them up to the, or a hammer if you can get it.
Or a rubber mallet is good.
Or to seat the clips, just to make sure that you're down all the way. Hit them again on the back and not on the front, so you don't bend it.
And notice too, like that clip doesn't need to be. This part is not touching the panel, the intermediate part. So don't tap it down that far.
Right, you don't have to put it right on top. It's just this, the bottom lip, just the compression to hold it tight back. It doesn't have to sit right on it. But that's what gauges the joint spacing between them, is where the clip sits.
And that's your bottom clip right there. So it's the one that starts out.
Right.
It'll have the hole in it.
And the isolators are made so that you can rip them right in half. This one ends up being your bottom because the panel sits on that rubber, and this one ends up being for a top clip. That's the top.
So
clip,
save the components.
Right. So if you pull them apart, save them. That one snaps down over top of the very top panel at the top of your wall. The elevation.
How does that top one lock in?
That,
Since you don't have that,
yeah.
That's the modified one.
got a one way down. I think